Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome to All Things State, All Things Lifestyle. Guys, I just want to show you something. It's always passed me by when I'm going to work. It's a nice place. They do nice food. Right, I think they move around because it's a bus. Yeah, there's a restaurant on the bus. Let me show you this. Oh, see the place? There's a restaurant on the bus. It's on the move. Right, so this is it. I'll take you around the place. Look at this.
No salad, just your beef, eh? I don't want salad.
Right. Taking you to every angle of it. There's a bus. Right, it moves. See that? I'll show you this. This is the right spot. We're actually a barking market. Right, barking market. Right, this is it. I love it. Love it. This is dish. See what they do. Show you there. Chocolate. See that? As I say, they're right in the middle of the market. Right, there's the market. There's a bus.
You don't want to say you were eating suya. No.
Come on, come on.
It's not yet. Hello. I did, alright.
Is she coming up first or? Because you don't want to be in the video, so I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to film her. I just want to go. Right, I'm gonna show you the inside the bus. Oh, sorry guys. Right, this is it. This is our set. You can see it's clean. Right, I'll take you upstairs. It's on the bus.
Sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. Right. There it is. There's a camera on the bus.
Why are you holding my bag?
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Oh, God. Let's go.
So clean. Right, I just bought my wrap, so I'm gonna go downstairs, get my wrap, and eat here. So I'll get my wrap very soon. You can see it was see coming in. Right. I'll go down.
I'm not fooling about this number. I lost my okay.
Well, back again, upstairs, because I want to eat my wrap. Right, I'm gonna sit right here. You can see it, it's clean. Right, nothing to worry about. Right. Yep, I've got my chicken wrap. Gonna try that. Whoa. Wait. See that? Yeah. Mm. 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 Thanks for watching. Don't forget to pay them a visit. Right, I think it's here every Tuesday, Thursday. Today's Friday. I think it's Saturday. It's just market days. Every market day is barking. They're here. So pop in. Yeah. Really delicious. Look out! Look! I'll show you. Wait. Okay, guys. Mm.
Yes, go to pray. Are you going to pray as well? Where did you reach Jamaica? Why did you take me to Jamaica?
Don't forget to like, share, comment.
I went to Jamaica without me.
God bless. Thank you.